Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So in today's video, we'll see how to make Kul Kuls, which is a Goan speciality and also a Christmas special recipe. So let's get started. For this, you need 2 cups of maida. Sift the maida well. Then add 1/4 cup of warm ghee. Mix until a crumbling texture is formed. Now add salt as per taste. Add 5 teaspoonful of powdered sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Add 2 teaspoons suji or semolina. Mix well. Now gradually add 1/4 cup of milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Adding the milk to it, make a soft dough out of it. Cover the dough and let it rest for about half an hour. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it out. Roll the dough thin. Now cut it into squares as shown. You can also use a knife to do this. Now to make the first type of Kul Kul, just fold the edges of the square, which will give it a shell shape. Now for making the type 2 of the Kul Kul, you just need a small portion of dough and just spread it out on this spatula. If you don't have this spatula, no need to worry. You can also use a fork to make this type of Kul Kul, or else you can also use a comb, but remember the comb should be new. The kalkals will look like this. Now it's time to fry them. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color. And here, your kalkals are ready. Do try this recipe and enjoy them by just popping some in your mouth. Thanks for watching.